The world has gone mobile, and Android is leading the charge. With billions of devices worldwide, the Google Play Store offers a vast and ever-growing market for your app ideas. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting, understanding the Android development landscape is crucial for success. This essay will guide you through the essential stages of creating an Android app, from initial concept to final deployment, highlighting key trends shaping the future of this dynamic platform. The Android platform's openness and versatility have fostered a thriving community of developers and a constantly evolving ecosystem. This makes Android development exciting but also presents unique challenges. Navigating this landscape requires not only technical proficiency but also a keen understanding of current and future trends. Developing a successful Android app involves a structured approach that transforms your initial concept into a polished, market-ready product. This process typically begins with meticulous planning. Define your app's core purpose, identify your target audience, and outline its key features. Consider how your app will generate revenue, whether through in-app purchases, subscriptions, or an alternative monetization strategy. Once you have a clear vision, the design phase begins. This involves creating user flows, wireframes, and finally, the app's user interface, UI. A well-designed UI is crucial for user engagement and should be intuitive, visually appealing, and adhere to Android's design principles. Next comes the development phase, where you'll write the code that brings your app to life. This is where you'll choose your programming language, Java or Kotlin, and development environment, Android Studio. Throughout development, rigorous testing is essential to ensure your app functions flawlessly across various Android devices and screen sizes. Finally, it's time for deployment. This involves preparing your app for release, adhering to Google Play Store guidelines, and submitting it for review. After approval, your app goes live, marking the beginning of its journey in the competitive Android market. Remember, launching your app is not the end. Continuous marketing, user feedback analysis, and regular updates are crucial for long-term success. When it comes to building your Android app, you have several development approaches to choose from, each with its advantages and drawbacks. Native Android development, using Java or Kotlin, offers the best performance, security, and access to the latest Android features. However, it requires separate codebases for different platforms like iOS, which can be time-consuming and costly. Cross-platform development frameworks such as React Native and Flutter allow you to build apps for multiple platforms using a single codebase. This approach can be faster and more cost-effective, but it may come at the expense of performance and native look and feel. Lastly, there's the hybrid approach, combining native elements with web technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. While it offers cross-platform compatibility, hybrid apps often suffer from performance limitations and may not provide the same level of user experience as native or well-built cross-platform apps. Choosing the right approach depends on your project's specific requirements, budget, and long-term goals. The Android landscape is constantly evolving, driven by technological advancements and shifting user expectations. In 2025 and beyond, several trends will significantly impact Android app development. One of the most prominent trends is the increasing focus on user privacy. With growing concerns about data security, users are demanding greater transparency and control over their personal information. Developers who prioritize privacy-enhancing features and transparent data practices will be better positioned in this evolving landscape. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is another transformative trend making its way into Android apps, enabling more personalized and intelligent experiences. From AI-powered chatbots providing seamless customer support to machine learning algorithms personalizing content and recommendations, AI is poised to revolutionize how we interact with our devices. Furthermore, as foldable devices become increasingly popular, developers need to optimize their apps for these new form factors, ensuring a seamless and intuitive user experience across different screen sizes and orientations. Emerging technologies like augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, are also gaining traction in the Android world. AR can overlay digital information onto the real world, creating immersive gaming experiences or interactive shopping apps. Meanwhile, VR can transport users to entirely virtual environments for gaming, training simulations, or virtual tours. As these technologies mature, Android developers will have new and exciting opportunities to create innovative and engaging app experiences.